They say my hunger's a problem. They tell me to cut my appetite. They say I can keep myself from trying a bite of every bait in sight. They wish your patience a virtue. They tell me gluttony's a sin. But my desire is bottomless. I wanna slit your throat and eat till I get sick. The slaughter's on, I'd love to see you come undone and satisfied until I got you flayed alive. So grab a plate, have a taste, check a weight on what's in way. I'm still preying on the butcher's vein. To dress you up in pretty patterns. Oh, to dress your flesh up with the works. Perfectly portioned by a dagger, serving the finest leftover dessert. Why would I desecrate a carcass? Oh, why let the offal go to waste? It's love that cosmically grow with such tenderness. A perfect strike, you fix the horror on your face. The slaughter's mine, no blood and viscera divine. Preserved in prime, dish my soul divina through thine and in the height. Once inside, testing, shelling, linger, I out. Devour all of you in time. Oh, your heart, chaotic or come on. My love, my knife, to carve it out your life. So grab a plate, have a taste, check a weight on lotion's way. I'm still preying on the butcher's vein. To snap the sinew, I want to get within you. I want to not forgive you, rigor mortis, mold and mildew. But dear, you should be grateful that I won't waste a good meal. That all my love's precision carves a color simply die for.